Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, long time no see. I had some stuff to take care of during this weekend here, but I believe we could catch up with some great songs here. And this one will be with Conan Gray here, his song called Telepath. So, pretty easy to play here, only one strumming pattern through the entire song there, except for some parts there with only one downstroke, so that it's even easier. So yeah, let's start here with the song and set our capo here on the 4th fret to match up the sound. And we need to learn a couple of chords here, 6 chords I believe. So we'll start here right away with this F. So that will be on the 1st fret here. You need to bar all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Yeah, so next chord will be E minor. So that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. A minor next. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have this A sharp chord here. So that one is for the bridge later. And you need to bar the 1st fret here. Again, this time only from the A string and down. So 5 strings. And the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be E. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And that's the 6 chords there. Now let's start with the first verse here. And for this one we need to learn a strumming pattern, pretty easy here. So it will be down, up, down, up. That will be one strumming round. So if we illustrate that with the F, that's the 1st chord. So down, up will be like this. Okay. And I try to emphasize the 2nd down, so down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and that will give you this a little bit more aggressive sound here, and that will follow even the beat here that goes on in the song. So if we take and look at the chord progression here, it will go from the F, since that's the 1st chord. It will be 4 rounds of the strumming for F, and then E minor, 2 rounds, and then A minor, 2 rounds. So F4, E minor 2, A minor 2. That is one chord progression, and you will play that chord progression 2 times. So F, E minor, A minor, F, E minor, A minor. Let's look at the sound here. Yeah, so that's the 1st verse. Now next, the pre-chorus here goes pretty much in the same way. In the lyrics, it's just so you're just so predictable. So that's where we are, pre-chorus. We will continue here with 4 strumming rounds of F, 2 on E minor, and 2 on A minor. So the 1st chord progression will be the same as in the 1st verse here. But for the 2nd round here and this pre-chorus, you will only play 4 downs on the F. The rest will be a vocal part there, so we'll just sing there, I don't cry, in the end of this pre-chorus. So the total part here with the pre-chorus sounds like this: 4 F, 4 E minor, sorry, 2 E minor, 2 A minor, and then 4 F again. E minor, A minor, and 4 F. And that's it. And that vocal part lead us to the 1st chorus there in the lyrics, "'Cause I got a feeling." So that's where we are. So this chorus will be the same strumming pattern here. And you will play 2 rounds of F, 2 rounds of G, 2 rounds of E minor, and 2 rounds of A minor. So F, G, E minor, A minor, 2 rounds for each chord. And if that is one chord progression, these 4 chords, you will play that for 4 rounds. So if we look at, we can look at 2 chord progressions. So let's play through this. So that was 2 rounds. You will play for 4 rounds, but on the last chord there, the last A minor, you will play not this strumming rounds of this A minor on the 4th round. You'll play only 4 downs, like this. So the final round here, the final chord progression will sound like this. That's the 4th round. Yeah, and that leads us to this instrumental part there. So this instrumental part will be still 2 rounds of F, 2 rounds of G, 2 rounds of E minor, and 2 rounds of A minor. And on the 2nd round, you play still 2 rounds of F, 2 rounds of G, 2 rounds of E minor, and only 1 down on the final A minor. With this 1 down, there's a short break or pause right after, and then comes the 2nd verse. So this instrumental part sounds like this: F, G, E minor, A minor, F, G, E minor, and just A minor with this break. Okay, and that leads us to the 2nd verse. So the 2nd verse here will be still in the same way as the 1st verse for the 1st round. So you play 4 times on the F, and then 2 times on the E minor, and 2 times on the A minor. So this 1st round will be the same. On the 2nd round, you have pretty much the same chords there. You start with the 4 rounds of F, but then you just play 3 downs of the E minor, and you will skip the last chord, which is the A minor, of course. So with this 2nd round, it will be like this: 4 rounds of F and 3 downs on E minor. So it will be like this, a little bit slower. And that's it. That was the 2nd round of the chord progression here, and that's the 2nd verse. Now next, the 2nd pre-chorus will be the same as the 1st pre-chorus there, so nothing new. And the same will be with the 2nd chorus. It will be the same, but instead of these 4 downs on the A minor that we had on this 4th round, you will just play 1 down. So instead of this A minor that ended the last chorus there, this time you only play 1 down on the A minor. And the reason for that is that we have, right after this 2nd chorus, we have this bridge part. So now we're there, and the lyrics, it's "but I bet you, I bet you." And that's pretty much what it sings there to begin with. And now on this bridge part, that is where we need to handle these 2 new chords here, the A sharp and the E in the end here. And this part is, it's very, very easy to play here. It's only 1 down for each chord here, and the chords are the following here. Starts with A sharp, then you move over to the A minor. Then I'm cutting you off, and on off you play the G. I bet you, I bet you, I bet you, I bet you. You play the F. Return at perfect timing, and I won't. Here you play the last chord, which is the E. Stop you from trying. So only 1 down on the chords A sharp, A minor, G, F, and E. And yeah, it ends here pretty soon here with a final chorus. It will play it in the same way as the first chorus here. And that means you will have this 4 downs on the last chord for this chorus here. So playing the same way as the first chorus for this chorus. And after that comes this outro part, and you will play there in the same way as you play a chorus. That means the F, the G, the E minor, and A minor. And you will play that for 4 rounds. And you know, that pretty much ends this song and this tutorial of Conan Gray, Telepath. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. And if it was, please continue to thumb up my tutorials here. That gives me great motivation and a lot of energy to move on and give you some great stuff on this channel. So see you soon, guys. And don't forget, play tuned.